Imagine you are cruising down the highway trying to save some gas money, and suddenly your engine starts running rough, or the check engine light glares at you with code P3413. This code is specific to the cylinder 2 exhaust valve control circuit being open. Now let us break down what that actually means for your ride. Modern engines, especially big V8s in trucks or performance cars like those from Dodge or Chevrolet, have a clever trick called cylinder deactivation. When you are just cruising and do not need all that horsepower, the computer shuts down half the cylinders to save fuel, turning your V8 into a V4. It does this by using special solenoids to trap exhaust gas in the cylinder. Code P3413 tells us that the solenoid responsible for cylinder number 2 is not doing its job. The computer tries to cycle this system, usually running in V4 mode for about 10 minutes and then switching back to full power for a minute to keep things lubricated. When this specific circuit fails, the computer might disable the fuel injector for cylinder 2 entirely to protect the engine, which is why you might feel a nasty misfire or shaking. While a bad solenoid or a fried computer can cause this, there's a much more common culprit that is often overlooked, and that is your engine oil. These systems run on oil pressure. If your oil level is low, or if the oil is old and sludge has blocked the tiny passages, the solenoid simply cannot work. Before you go out and buy expensive parts, pull that dipstick. I've seen so many people replace a solenoid, only to find out they were just 2 quarts low on oil. If the oil is fine, then you need to inspect the wiring. These solenoids are near the hot exhaust manifold, so wires can easily get burned or brittle. Look for chewed wires if you live in an area with rodents. If the wiring checks out and the oil is good, you're likely looking at replacing the variable valve timing solenoid for cylinder 2. Remember, a misfire can damage your engine permanently if ignored, so tackle this one immediately. Start with the oil, check the technical service bulletins for your specific car model, and then move on to the electrical checks.